Hi everyone, today is September the 8th, 2021. My name is Sergio, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to SIM unlock an iPhone, basically any iPhone, X 6s up to 12 Pro Max. Just keep that in mind with the new iOS coming up next week, iOS 15. The support for 6s and 6s Plus, well, that will be not support with any RSIM. So with the new iOS, the newest devices supported by RSIM or any unlocked chip will be 7 up to 12 Pro Max. This video, it's a little bit different due to one of my friends gave me this new Heicard Smart card. It's like the other ones that I use from Gaby. This one my friend gave me to test. I'm not getting paid. I'm just doing the reviews like I always do. I haven't used this one yet. Like I said, my friend gave it to me to test it out and see if I like it. Like I said, I'm not getting paid to do this. I just like to see other options. I'm not selling this either. I will post a link where you can get it from. If you need to purchase, you can purchase one. I believe they have it on Amazon. I will put the link on the description for you to get where you to get it from. In today's video, this is an iPhone XR. I don't believe this phone belongs to AT&T or Verizon or Spectrum. So I think this phone belongs to a Sprint or T-Mobile, one of those two. Oh well, the same company. But this phone has been and this phone is running iOS 15 beta 8. As you know, the ICCIDs have been very unstable for the past few days, and people that have been doing this for a long time, you already know that this happens every year when they're gonna release the new iOS to the public. This is normal. Some people are sending me text messages, calling me scared. They don't know what to do. Like I said, this has been happening for the past 5 years. Every time the Apple's gonna release a new iOS to the public, all of a sudden all the ICCIDs start dropping like flies. They're unstable because, well, they need, because with the new iOS coming out, as of right now, this is running 15 beta 8. It's not finished yet, so with any update or anything to be released to the public, it can be couple of exploits patched by Apple. We don't know yet, but as of today's date, September the 8th, it is working. Some ICCs, like I said, are very unstable, but if you go to my website, I have a couple of ICCIDs listed on my website for you to get it from. Feel free to go. I will post the link on down in the description. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, just for you to be informed and to keep updated for any changes in the future. Well, let's begin. Like I said, this is for my friends. I believe this is a Heicard Smart card. This one, I believe you don't need to do anything. They told me that the ICCID is going to be updated via over the air. There is no configuration. This does everything automatically for you. No need to be looking for ICCIDs. This chip will do everything for you, which is in particular, I don't like that because if something happened to the ICCID, you don't have an option to edit and put a new one. But that's just me. Like I said, I'm not getting paid to do this this video. I'm just showing you where you can get it from. If you like it, go for it. But let's begin then. Okay, so this is the Heicard Smart card, and we have this iPhone XR, belongs to Sprint or T-Mobile. There is SIM lock to them, and Right now I'm running iOS 15 beta 8. This is an iPhone XR, and currently it is SIM lock to the carrier. Here's the description. This device may be restricted to original carrier or have certain capabilities limited. Contact your provider for more information. Okay, so let's begin. I'm gonna put just a regular, my AT&T SIM card. And this AT&T SIM card Verizon doesn't have any service. I use it for training purposes. The only one that has service is the Spectrum Mobile. And I'm gonna wait for the activation screen. Okay, SIM not supported. Of course, I was expecting that. Now, if you got this, don't worry. If you got this error or connected to Mac to a PC or iTunes, just go back. Don't panic. Continue. We'll remove the SIM tray. There is no SIM card inside. Let's try my Spectrum. This one has service. This one is active. This is my personal line. And put it in. I'm just gonna wait for you to see this picking up the signal or not. I'm just gonna hit dismiss. See, it's picking the full signal, but it doesn't mean that it's gonna be SIM unlocked. So it's gonna swipe up. It says my software has been completed to iOS 15. Like I said, this is iOS 15 beta 8. I'm gonna hit continue. And SIM not supported. Okay, so I'm gonna take this out. SIM not supported. If you have this problem, this is for you. Okay, let's begin with this Smart Sim. Okay, it's triple cut, regular SIM card, nano, and micro. So put them on the side here, and regular SIM card. Put it in, and let's see what's the menu, because I never play with it, so I don't know what to expect. Okay, nothing fancy. Activation required. And it's picking up signal. Just gonna let it a few more seconds. I'm gonna swipe up. I'm gonna put my passcode. Software is completed to iOS 15. Okay, continue. SIM not supported. See, this is why I need to have my menu. Oh, there we go. The menu pop out, and it's giving me some ICCID. I don't think that's the correct one. Let me change the last four. Let me go to my computer real quick. Hopefully the menu doesn't go away. And my last four numbers, let me go to my website real quick. And I'm gonna use for my website the last four numbers, 3912. 3912. Okay, I'm gonna hit send. It says okay, accept. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna try once again. Okay. It says here ICCID, my last four, 3912. I'm gonna hit accept. Oh, okay. It took me to the activation screen on my iCloud account, Apple ID. So I always do passcode. Put my, it's gonna ask you 2 to 3 times. Okay, so this has been SIM unlocked. Now let's go to let me close everything. Make sure you close everything so you can have a nice refresh settings. So let's go back to general, about. iPhone XR, iOS 15, and carrier lock, no restrictions. Very good. So that's been unlocked. Oh, before we do anything, let's go back settings. Let's go back settings, and in this case settings and cellular. I want to see what the menu looks like. So there is, interesting. This is Jersey Telecom, and there is all the ones that we're looking for is SIM applications. And this is the menu of the smart card. Activate iPhone, SIM 1, SIM 2, SIM 3, setting, install eSIM, EID. I don't know what is that for. I wish they could give me the full description on the menu. I'm going blind on here. What happened if we press activate iPhone? Nothing. Setting. I guess that's where you put the new ICCID. It says SIM hub CNN, and it's picking a signal. Interesting. The smart card is picking signal. I don't know from where or who is the. Oh, it's picking up AT&T. Interesting. Like I said, I never used this smart card before. Everything that is happening, I'm seeing like you guys for the first time. Very interesting. That is picking up signal for AT&T, and there you go. Oh, I didn't change, and now the ICCID came back again with the same it was from the beginning. I changed it to the last numbers to the 3912. Maybe because that's when I hit activate phone. But I'm gonna hit cancel because my phone is already unlocked, so I don't have to worry about that. I'm just gonna hit cancel. This is interesting. That it's picking up AT&T signal, and this is the unlocked chip. So let's make out. Hopefully.
The call you are attempting to place is not allowed from this line.
Okay, so the Huawei list has no service. So I'm gonna take this out. Okay, this is the smart card. The Heicard Smart Card. I'm gonna put it on the side. And I'm going to use my active line, Spectrum Mobile. Let's see. I'll just wait for the signal. Let me turn off Wi-Fi off. Okay, a Spectrum LTE.
Welcome to Spectrum Mobile. This call may be
Okay, Spectrum Mobile. It is working on Spectrum Mobile now. Let's go to Google. Let's do the speed test real quick. And this is Spectrum as Verizon network, and depends on location. And now I'm outside of San Antonio area, which sometimes I get good reception, sometimes it doesn't. I don't know why, but it is what it is. As long as I got a good signal to receive phone calls and text messages, that's all that matters. Well, this is how this smart card works, the Heicard Smart Card. I don't sell this. I don't provide any support. Like I said, I'm doing this as a test for one of my friends. I will leave the link of the description where you can get it from. For any new updates on ICCIDs, you can go to my website. If you want to acquire any of my smart cards from Gaby Pro, or if you need a Gaby Pro or MKSD4, go to my website or my Amazon store. I have those as well. And like I said, please just be patient with the new iOS is going to be released next week. It happened in the past. It will happen in the future. all the ICCIDs are very unstable right now. Just be aware of that. If one ICCID is not working for you, it doesn't mean the unlock chip is not is defective. That means that you need to look for a different ICCID code. Like I said, you can go to my website. I always post the most recent or the active one per day. So I got two for today that are working. The one that I used to activate this phone ending 39112. Okay. Well, have a wonderful rest of your day. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye bye.